This is a handmade wooden clock, laser engraved with a 3D illusion effect, cut to shape and ready to hang. Let me show you exactly how it was made. Head to ImagR in the main menu and select One Click. Once One Click is open, upload your image. Since I'm engraving on Birch Plywood, I select wood as my material. The diameter of my clock will be 240 millimeters. For my 80-watt CO2 laser with a compound lens, I'm going with 318 dpi. Click Prepare Image and let ImagR handle the rest. And here's our perfectly processed image. As you can already see in the preview, every detail comes through clearly, and none of the shadows are too dark. I download the image as a PNG and import it into my laser software. For my laser, I'm using 120 millimeters per second, 15% maximum power, and 1% minimum power. Make sure pass-through is enabled. This prevents LightBurn from reprocessing the image we've already prepared. Now, since the clock isn't a perfect circle, a simple circular cutout would look off. So I head back to Toolset and search for Contour. Upload the processed image in the Contour feature. The feature will automatically detect the outline. I usually increase the Simplify slider to smooth out any rough edges in the contour line. Click Download SVG and import the SVG file into your laser software as well. Press P to center the imported SVG on your workspace. I also draw a small circle to represent the hole for the clock mechanism and center that with P as well. Make sure the layer is set to line and that the cut comes after the engraving by adjusting the order on the right side. That's all there is to it. Now we can start the engraving. I use magnets to hold the plywood completely flat and straight on the bed. And as you can already see while it's running, the image processing is perfect. Many different brown tones, great shadows, and every detail razor sharp. Once the engraving is finished, I use a soft brush to remove any dust and residue from the process. And here's our finished clock with a stunning 3D illusion effect. Beautiful tones, nothing overburned, and zero artifacts. Now we just remove the small centerpiece from the hole and insert the clock mechanism. And here's a photo of the finished product mounted on the wall. In my opinion, a real eye-catcher, created in just a few minutes using ImagR. Process your next project at imag-r.com, completely free thanks to the 3 daily free uploads.